Can you take photo in Blackmagic Camera app on iPhone? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Blackmagic Camera. You have to click all of these options and then tap on Continue at the bottom of the screen. Click on Continue. It will land you on the home page of Blackmagic Camera app. Where you can see in the very middle of the screen, the red button is available, but if you click on it, it will only start to take the video and shoot it. But if you click on any other options, you will not be able to find the feature in order for you to take the picture from here. Even if you move into settings at the bottom right corner, no options will be available to take the pictures, which means that it is not possible to take picture in Blackmagic Camera app. All you can do is take the video, and from the video you can take the screenshot of it. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.